Welcome to the NewsRamp Science Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at NewsRamp.com. It's Friday evening, June 27th, 2025, and we have a lineup of science headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline. Investor news breaks. LaFleur Minerals, Inc., LFLFLRFL 3WK0, featured in network news audio as it advances toward production in Abitibi Gold Belt. LaFleur Minerals, trading on the CSE under the ticker symbol LFLR, is making strides towards production in the Abitibi Gold Belt. The company's fully permitted Beacon Gold Mill and 100% owned Swanson Gold Project are key to this effort. With gold prices exceeding $3,300 per ounce, LaFleur plans to restart its mill by late 2025 for bulk sampling and custom milling, aiming for full-scale production of up to 30,000 ounces annually by early 2026. This move positions LaFleur for growth in a Tier 1 mining jurisdiction, leveraging its compliant gold resource of over 187,000 ounces. To learn more about LaFleur Minerals, visit their newsroom.
Research links key proteins to the growth of brain tumors. University of Plymouth researchers in the UK have identified the proteins that underlie the growth and development of common brain tumors. Their findings could lead to the development of new, less invasive treatments. Understanding the factors behind meningiomas could also help in developing treatments and preventing their onset. Companies like CNS Pharmaceuticals, Inc. are investing resources in this area. For more information, visit the company's newsroom. BioMedWire is a specialized communications platform focusing on biotechnology, biomedical sciences, and life sciences sectors, providing access to a vast network of wire solutions and tailored corporate communications solutions.
Mining news breaks. Latin Metals Inc., TSX.LMS, OTCQB LMSQ secures 100% ownership of Cerro Bayo Silver-Gold Project. Latin Metals Inc., listed on the TSX.V as LMS and on the OTCQB as LMSQF, has secured 100% ownership of the Cerro Bayo Silver-Gold Project in Argentina's Santa Cruz province. The company signed an amended agreement to acquire the remaining 29% interest in the properties, becoming the sole owner of the fully permitted, drill-ready exploration asset. The deal with Tres Cerros Exploraciones SRL includes staged cash payments totaling $400,000 through 2027. TCE will retain a 0.75% NSR royalty, which Latin Metals can repurchase for $1 million. Latin Metals operates in Peru and Argentina under a prospect generator model, securing option agreements with major mining companies to fund exploration and maximize discovery potential.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Science Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.